In this video, we'll see how to use CSS in your Next.js project. So here I already have a Next.js project. Here I have the index page, index.tsx file. I'll go to the components folder here and create a new component called user. Let's create the user.tsx file here. And I'll also create a style file for this thing called user.module.css. Inside the user.tsx, I'll define a new component called user, and we'll just simply export this thing, export default user. Inside I'll just return some HTML code. Inside this I can give a class name called container. Maybe this will be container, and let's name this as container p. I'll just save this thing. I'll define the containers here. So here I'll add a background color red, and I'll save the changes, and let's just start the project. Now also this user component needs to be called somewhere so that it renders on the UI. So I'll just go to my index.tsx file, or the home component. Inside I'll just import this user component. I'll just save it, and let's load our application here. Close 3000. So as you can see, this thing is getting rendered here, but the style is not yet applicable. So in order to apply the styles or use CSS, we just need to import the CSS here. Import styles from, and now we'll use the styles to refer to the specific class names from user.module.css. So here I'll just remove this thing and reference style here. That should give you a reference to the container thing here. I'll save this thing, and you can see that the red color is getting applied. Similarly, you need to use the same thing for here also. Once this is applied, if you make any changes here, let's say I'll just add a font size to this thing, font size large. I'll just save it. You can see it gets reflected here. Font family. Yeah, that's how we use styles in our Next.js project. So I hope you find this video useful. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.